Welcome to this user guide for the Armorgard LoadAll LA750 Pro, the safest and most efficient way to transport sheet materials on site. Designed for strength, safety and space saving, the LoadAll LA750 Pro can carry up to 750 kilograms of sheet material with ease. Let's walk through how to use it safely and effectively. Before you begin, always carry out a risk assessment. Check for finger trap hazards, ensure the unit is not damaged, and never attempt to lift it alone as it is too heavy for one person. The heavy-duty swivel casters are designed for going over different terrains without being halted by debris on the ground. Two of the casters have a swivel lock, so you can choose to make them only point in one direction. The H-frame design allows for easier navigation through tight spaces. The unit includes large end handles and top clamps. The clamps can be positioned to the side and kept clear for when loading materials. Boards are to be side-loaded onto the trolley from this point. Keep the balls on the trolley, leaning them against the two upright arms. Clamps should be adjusted in height and length to fit the boards being loaded. They are adjusted using the star screws. Care must be taken to avoid pinch points when adjusting the clamps. Materials should sit snug against the clamps, and the clamps should always be tightened using the star screws. Shorter materials should be secured by using the clamps in reverse, which is ideal for items such as strut, stud, and cable tray. To do this, flip the clamps round, putting the shorter end into the LoadAll frame. Always be mindful of pinch points. When the trolley is loaded, use the handle on the end to maintain safe and easy use of the trolley. Extend the telescopic handle by loosening the star screw and pulling the index plunger. When navigating tight spaces, use the 4 swivel casters to allow easy movement. When passing through tight spaces, make use of the H-frame design. 2 of the casters have direction locks fitted to prevent sideways drifting of a loaded trolley. These should not be confused with the brake casters located on the opposite end. Casters must always be locked when loading and unloading the trolley. Adjust the handle to suit your load, then secure it before moving. Always plan your route by walking through it before moving the trolley. See the signboard to check the correct load weights and suitable terrains. Be careful when using the LoadAll on slopes, and always check the signboard for best practices to help prevent the load tipping. Always stand to the side of the unit and never in front or behind the load. To unload, ensure you're on even terrain. Lock the casters and remove the load according to its handling instructions. Check the unit regularly, especially the casters, clamps, bolts and handles. For heavy use, inspect more frequently. Ensure the data plate remains visible and intact. You can find the full operating and maintenance manual by scanning the QR code on the screen.